Meaning of femur.
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 Femur. The femur is the largest and strongest bone in the human body, located in the thigh region. It plays a crucial role in supporting the weight of the body and facilitating movement, especially when walking, running, or jumping. The femur is composed of various parts, including the head, neck, shaft, and condyles, each with distinct features that serve specific functions. Injuries to the femur can be severe and often require medical attention, while diseases affecting the femur, such as osteoporosis, can lead to weakening of the bone and increased risk of fractures.